I wake up to silence. It's colder than night. Your side of the bed still killing me right. I'm choking on memories, can't swallow the past. Praying for a heartbeat that will never come back. Every breath feels borrowed, every step is weak. I've cried out so much, I forgot how to speak. The house is a coffin, your ghost in the wall. I'm drowning in shadow where your laughter falls. I beg for a chance, but your eyes turned away. Now I'm trapped in the ruins of what I can't say. You can't build a flame from ashes and stone. You can't hold a love that's already gone. The hardest truth is knowing I can't make you stay. I can't make you love me, no matter what I pray. It's a wound that keeps bleeding, too heavy to keep. I can make you love me, and it cuts so deep.
I could scream to the heavens, but silence will speak. I can make you love me,
And it cuts so deep. I see your reflection